Have you ever
The
wondered if your
idle on this
fleet is
exhaust is
literally
louder than it
burning
should be.
money through the exhaust pipe?
We
For a
might have a leak.
32-seater bus, the difference between profit and loss often comes down to a single number, 6 to 8 kilometers per liter. This is the standard range you should expect, but the real-world performance is a moving target. While manufacturers might promise the higher end of that scale, factors like engine displacement, air conditioning, and your total passenger load play a massive role. If you run the AC at full blast, expect your mileage to drop by up to 1.5 kilometers per liter instantly. Even a fully loaded bus can increase fuel consumption by 15% compared to a half-full trip. But here is a secret most operators overlook: tire pressure. Research shows that tires underinflated by just 10% can cost you hundreds of dollars extra in fuel over time due to rolling resistance. It is also vital to watch out for the silent profit killer: idling. A typical diesel engine in this category can burn up to 2 liters of fuel per hour just sitting still. By training drivers to avoid unnecessary idling
This
and
filter
maintaining a
is pretty
steady
clogged.
speed of 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, you can
Looks
see
like the
efficiency
engine is
gains of
running
nearly
lean.
20%. Whether you choose a standard diesel for inner-city routes or a CNG variant for urban transit, the key to success is consistent maintenance. Keep those air filters clean and your tires at the recommended pressure to ensure your 32-seater remains a cost-effective asset for years to come.